Ito ang part 2 ng ating disrespectful NBA moment.
Closed by Primo. Attack! Lillard, long range three.
Simulan natin sa posterized dunk na ito ni Donovan Mitchell.
1 minute gone by in the fourth. Nets turn it over. LeVert ahead.
I came in with a new 40 Glock. Fuck on your bitch, make that hoe on a million. I want my boys and no we do not million.
Wala na lang nagawa si Watanabe. Pero ang pag-disrespect ay bumalik din kay Donovan nang tamaan ni Dillon Brooks ang maselang bahagi niya.
The move by Brooks. It was deflected. It's loose. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Si Dillon Brooks ba naman? Wala nang bago dyan. Pero ang pag-disrespect na ginawa ni Ja Morant ay medyo malala. Sayawan ba naman ang team ng Warriors sa kalagitnaan ng laro?
Brooks gets a running start ahead to Tillman. Good transition defense from Golden State. Bane steps back three-pointer. That's good.
Bane gets dunked on the other end, crosses over Steph Curry, knocks down the shot. Look at Ja on the opposite side. Do that dance, Gator. Having a good time.
May dancing talent pala tong si Ja. Pero hindi niya kayang talunin ang move ni Harden dahil minsang sinayawan nito si Ricky Rubio.
He's got to do is pull up and shoot the three and did that right before the half. Or he could drive on it.
Mukhang naliligaw si Rubio at mukhang naghahanap naman ng away ang fan na ito dahil finlex niya kung sino ang daddy ni Jason Tatum. Mukhang tanggap naman ni Tatum kung sino ang daddy niya. Ang mahirap lang tanggapin ay ang pag-disrespect ni Kevin Durant. Sabihan ba naman ng maliit si Evan Fournier?
If you're Brooklyn. Raises up over him and knocks it home. It's nothing but net.
Did he just pinch his fingers as if to say, like, don't? He didn't put his hand down. He's like,
this too little.
You're tiny.
This close.
You're
too this
tiny.
close, Evan.
I gotta get a look at this one. You're too tiny.
Maliit daw. Nakita mo na ba? Pero mas nakakapangliit ang nangyari kay Giannis dahil minsan itong pinahiya ng hindi masyadong kilalang player.
Hezonja drives it. Middleton finishes. And then stares and walks over into Grupo. A taunt there from Mario Hezonja. Waves out in the crowd. We have a Hezonja moment here at the Garden. Provocative moment that time.
Akala mo naman kung sino to. Isa pa tong si Dillon Brooks. Paano ba naman? Ultimong cameraman pinatulan.
Oh, saved him. And Brooks could not keep it. He just knocked somebody down right there at courtside. It's one of our camera folks. Terry Swan down there. Hope Terry's okay. He's getting help.
Literal na tinulak niya yung cameraman ng walang dahilan. Pero hindi nakaligtas dyan si Dillon Brooks dahil pinagmulta siya ng NBA ng $35,000 sa kanyang ginawa. Yan. Sige, tulak now, pay later. Pero out of nowhere naman ang ginawa ni Mikal Bridges nang i-disrespect nito si Klay Thompson habang nasa bench.
Now Booker on the move. Bridges catch and shoot. Swishes it through. Another three for Mikal Bridges. That's his fifth. He's got 19 points.
I say it so often, but
May galit siguro siya kay Thompson. Pero sa iba naman napunta ang galit ni Miles Bridges. Dahil pagkatapos ma-eject sa laro, aksidente niyang natamaan ang maling tao.
Bridges, who's one of the candidates, a fan giving him some stuff as well.
Natamaan tuloy si ate. Pero mas malala ang ginawa ni Marcus Smart dahil ginawa niyang wrestling ang isang NBA game.
111, White got the lay-in, and now a foul on Boston. They say no shot, and Quinn is still screaming. And now we got a tussle underneath. And of course, Marcus Smart's right in the middle of it. And then it's Marcus Smart who's got to have a grabbed Trey, mouthing the whole time, and they wrestled each other to the ground.
Pwede ka naman talaga sa WWE kasi magaling kang umarte. Pero ang hindi ko alam ay kung anong inaarte netong si Marcus Morris. Hampasin ba naman ng bola sa ulo ang kalaban?
Third quarter, and whoa, hey no. Morris and Anderson had been jawing before the quarter started, and now they are going at it. Chris Miller. Oh, okay, so he's looking at the elbow, and now watch him.
I don't know if I should laugh. Did that just happen?
Grabe, hinedshot yung kalaban. Pero tila gusto rin humedshot ni Rajon Rondo.
Alright, let's see exactly what happened with Rondo and the fan.
Huwag mong itutok. Baka pumutok yan. Ibang klaseng pag-disrespect naman ang ginawa ni Trae Young. Dahil pagkatapos ma-crossover si Jrue Holiday, pinakitaan pa ito ng shimmy.
Answer for this man right here. Oh my goodness. Oh, no, he didn't. No, he didn't. He just shook his shoulders. Little shuffle. What? Doing a little bank out bounce right there. Are you kidding me?
Shimmy pala yun. Akala ko nangingisay. At sa ating susunod na moment, munti ka nang makapatay si Anthony Edwards nang i-posterize nito si Yuta Watanabe.
Anthony Edwards, that time he does finish with the exclamation point.
Watanabe got his feelings hurt on this one. I mean, that is absolutely filthy.
Grabing posterize naman yun. Pero wala nang mas gagrabe sa ginawang pag-disrespect ni Draymond Green sa Cleveland Cavaliers sa ating last moment dahil pagkatapos nilang manalo ng kampyonato noong 2015 sa isang interview. Ganito ang kanyang mga sinabi.
Klay Thompson, yup. Splash Brothers, yup. Cavaliers, nope. We won, yup. They suck, yup. We here, yup. They not, nope.
Thank you, Draymond. All right, Klay.
Grabe ka naman, Draymond. Parang hindi mo best friend si LBJ ah.